I just booked something amazing. Today's the day. I'm leaving to go to kitten yoga and I'm so excited. It is about an hour away. I literally cannot wait. I am so excited. I have not been this excited about something in a really long time. I have my cat bag right here and my yoga pants are packed because of how hot it is. There's no way to wear my yoga pants and get there without being sweaty, which is sweaty's fine, but it is so hot outside, seriously. So this is it. Do I look like a cat person? I hope so. I'm getting so nervous now. I'm nervous to meet the cats. I hope they like me. I'm 30 minutes early and they said on the thing to be like 10 minutes early. That's a good time. And I'm like, nope. I'm gonna be 30 minutes. I need to cool off anyways. I hope they have AC, but I'm so excited. I literally cannot wait.
I'd rather just be looking at the cat. That, whatever the word is that you would like, really love to leave it feeling, you're going to set yourself your own personal mantra, your own personal sankalpa or intention using the phrase I am, and then the word that you want to feel at the end of this class. So I mean, I am enough, I am grounded, I am peaceful. And saying it to yourself in your mind's eye internally. And inhale, circle sweeping the arms all the way above the head. As your palms come together, drawing them slowly down through the center line of the body, brushing. So, can you, without too much effort, start to send the breath down into the base of the belly? Start to feel the temperature of air in the room through the nose. And every exhale, let something go as you exhale deeply through the mouth. Every inhale, imagine yourself filling up with new oxygen, with new energy. Every exhale, releasing something. On your next inhale, slowly starting to wiggle into the fingers and toes. Inhaling the arms all the way above the head. Stretching your fingers, bringing the legs together, pointing through the toes. Then, as you are ready, squeezing the knees in towards the chest, wrapping arms around shins, gently taking a rock from side to side as you start to massage the channels of muscle in the back body into the floor. Keeping that breath really fluid, really audible. Then, as you are ready, open the base of your spine. As you inhale, grow tall, drop shoulders from earlobes, send them high. Exhale completely. The other side this time, taking right arm over left knee. Putting your arms out into a T shape. You're going to allow the knees to fall all the way over to the right hand side. Bringing both shoulder blades flush with the mat. Turn the head all the way over the left shoulder. Breathing deeply into the base of the belly. On your next inhale, gently engaging through the core, so you draw the knees up through center before allowing them to fall all the way over to the left hand side. Once again, bringing both shoulder blades flush with the mat. Allow that top rock up and down the spine as we find ourselves gradually up into a seated posture. So you can slowly use a few rock and rolls up and down the spine, keeping your chin tucked to chest, maybe finding the point where you can balance on your seat bones before rocking all the way up to a comfortable seated posture. From your seated posture, you're going to allow the knees to fall out to the sides. Maybe pull away the flesh from the buttocks, really absorb. Really finding the length in the spine as we drop the shoulders from earlobes. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. And taking a moment just to settle in, fully arrive here. Inhale. And as you exhale, round the other side. I'm going to bring the hands to the left arm, right arm sweeps up. Tail sweeping round before. Just imagine you've got a magnet on the forehead and a magnet. Take another inhale here. Slowly rolling up through the spine, chin to chest, head up to right edge of the mat. Left hand over the top of right as we sink back with the left hip, finding a breathing deeply here. On your next inhale, moving the hands back into center. We come back up into our tabletop position and really pressing into the left hand. We rise the right arm straight out in front behind us. Inhale, extend limbs away from you. Exhale. One more, make the deepest left arm out long. Then coming into the left side, right leg. Inhale, stretching the limbs away. Exhale, elbows. Inhale, elbows. Inhale, extend the limbs. Lovely. So replacing the left hand, replacing the right knee. From here, our puppy posture. Cool puppy. Aiming to bring the chest towards the mat. Maybe followed by the forehead. Allowing the stretch to be done all the way to the armpit, all the way into the pectorals. One more breath. Then slowly walking the hands back towards you. So much so that we can hover the knees off the mat. We're in hovering table. If you immediately start to bring the knees down, we tuck the toes. Send your bum all stillness here. Everyone, for a kitten. Come here. Then I'm becoming line shake. Remember to breathe. 2, for 1. And slowly releasing into your lovely work, guys. Strength when it's too intense, you can grab your grip and place it underneath the sacrum. It's all four corners of the feet to get a little bit more height on your bridge. Strain from them and find. If you're coming down through shoulder stand, come back out through down, and using the hand
I think I was actually in heaven. Can I go back? I can't believe that happened. Were they so cute? Oh my gosh. They were so cute. I'm like crying right now. Oh my gosh, and the one with the blue collar, it would not leave my side. Like people kept picking him up like from me, which is fine because he kept coming back to me. You know, I get it, they're jealous. And it just kept finding its way back to me. It just knew I was a cat lady. The yogi instructor was like, what do you want to take from this? And from this class? And I'm like, a kitten. The girl who started the business is super sweet and kind. So she used to work at the puppy yoga too. She still kind of does, but she's doing this kitty yoga now, which she started like 2 months ago, which is, I manifested it. I literally manifested it. So go to kitty yoga. It was literally a dream.
Hello, I'm Anastasia. I'm the owner of Kitty Yoga London, and I started this purely because of therapy for us humans, for the little kittens to socialise before they go to their new homes, and everybody leaves here feeling really refreshed and energised. Isn't that right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so please come to Kitty Yoga London. We have so many pop-ups around London. At the moment we're in East London, and we have one in West London soon, so hope to see you soon.
I'll tag everything too, so y'all don't worry.